Hello friends, today I will tell you how to set up Avada theme on your local host. For set up Avada theme in your local host, you first need to install WordPress in your local host, which I already told on my last video. So if you have not watched it, please watch it first. So we just have to go WordPress admin and log in here. Then go to appearance and theme. Here you can see there are some default themes are available which are by default pre-installed by the WordPress. So for installing Avada theme, you first need to purchase the Avada theme. I will also provide the link from where you can purchase. But as you are here, I think you already know or you already have the Avada theme. So you just have to click on add new, and from where you have purchased the theme, it will provide all the files. So I extracted it, and there are two folders, which one have a Avada and one is Avada child theme. As you can see, you just have to click on Avada and click on install now. It will install the Avada theme in your system. You also need to install Avada child theme. It will very useful for the future purpose. I will tell you about this in some different video. As you can see, it will unpackaging the package. It will the first step. On the next step, it will install the theme. You can install the theme by two methods. The first one which I describe here, and the second one by uploading the folder directly to the, here you can see the Avada child theme. You just have to go to the localhost on your system. Here my first website, go to WP content, theme part. Here you can see the pre-default theme are here and the latest one is installing. You just have to paste the file here and extract it. This is the second method which I told, first one in the video. Here you can see is installing the theme. You can perform any step which you prefer. The second one is little bit easy in the local host as it taking time in the uploading process. On the second one, we already copy paste the file and extract it, and it already showing in the theme folder if we can check. As you can see, Avada child is already visible now, and the first theme is still uploading process. So wait for a few minutes, I think. As you can see, theme is installed. Now we can check. Avada theme is now visible. Maybe you can check here in the theme section by refreshing it. Yes, you can see Avada theme is now visible and Avada child is already there. Now you need to activate the theme child theme. You just have to click on the child theme activation button. When you activate the theme, it will first ask for your the verification code or the theme purchase code, which we call. It can be came from where you have purchased the theme. So before doing any other process, you need to register your theme first. As you can see, you have to register your theme. For registration, you have to enter your code and click on register now. As you can see, theme is registered now. The next step will be to install the plugin. Just go to the manage plugins section. Before importing any demo version of theme, you need to install two very important plugin of the theme, which are Avada Core and Avada Builder. Here you can see you need to install Avada Core first. Plugin installed successfully. The message is coming now and activated successfully. Now we have to install the second plugin, which is Avada Builder. You just have to click on install like the previous one. In between the plugin installing, we are moving to the website section in the Avada. When you open the website section, you can see there are 77 predefined Avada theme version are available. There are for the different categories like accountant, handmade, winery, festival, virtual assistant, and so many. It's depend on you which version you want to install for the use or your purpose. Before importing any demo, you need both the plugin first. Some version require another plugin also, which will be mentioned in the import version. You can check the previews of any theme. Like here, we are going to view the accountant preview. This is a accountant theme preview version in the Avada. You can check. As you can see, plugin is activated now. Now we can install the any demo version. We are going to import the demo of Avada Accountant right now, which we can see in the demo version in the Avada theme. You just have to click on the import section. As you can see, both plugins are required and both are active right now. You just have to click on the all part and click on import. It will take some time for the downloading purpose of post, pages, layout, images, slider, options, and etc. It will all downloaded and set up on your website so that all the dummy content will be come like the demo version of the Avada. You just need to change the text and edit the custom images and all. As you can see, all the content is imported now. Just click on done. As you can see, your localhost My First website is uploading and all the theme content is now coming now on your localhost. You can change any demo version or install any demo version which you want. Thank you for watching.
And if you like our video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.